How to cook garlic broccoli like a pro chef. You can master this in just 3 minutes. Bright green, full of flavor, and absolutely delicious. How to pick the perfect broccoli. 1. Look for florets that are dark green, small, and tight. 2. The closer the stems are, the more tender. 3. More green on the stalk means fresher. Cut the broccoli into florets. Soak them in salt water for 10 minutes to clean out dirt and tiny bugs. Peel the thick stems and slice them up. Cut some carrot for color, crush garlic and chop it finely. Let's make the sauce in a bowl. Mix water, rice wine, salt, pepper, and oyster sauce. Add chicken bouillon or MSG. If you like, prepare a little cornstarch slurry too. Bring water to a boil. Add salt and oil. Blanch the florets first for 30 seconds. Then add carrots and stems and blanch for another 50 seconds. Heat oil in a pan. Keep it low heat so the garlic doesn't tea-burn. Saute the garlic until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and bring to a boil. Add broccoli and carrots. Stir well. Cook on medium heat uncovered for about 30 seconds to let the flavor sink in. That's the real key. Finally, turn to high heat. Thicken with the slurry. And it's ready to serve. Oh no! Oh my god, this is so good.